Most people feel like their money disappears before they even realize where it went. Bills, rent, food, and nothing left over. But what if I told you that with a simple shift, you could take full control of your money without earning a single dollar more? In this video, I'll show you how to organize, automate, and grow your finances, even on a low income. Let's go. Here's the 25-15-50-10 rule. 25% of your income goes toward fixed needs, rent, bills, groceries. 15% is automatically invested for your future. This is non-negotiable. 50% covers your lifestyle, fun, travel, subscriptions, or dining out. And the last 10%, that's guilt-free spending. Treat yourself without shame. This gives structure to your money and keeps you in control. Now, let's build your money map. List your income at the top: salary, freelance, side gigs. Then break it down by percentage using the rule we just covered. Label each row clearly. Use a spreadsheet or even pen and paper. Once your map is ready, you'll know exactly where every dollar is going. Here's the secret most people ignore: automation. Set your bills, savings, and investments to transfer automatically on payday. That way, you don't rely on willpower to save or invest. It just happens. Out of sight, growing in the background. The wealthy don't just make money. They own things that grow in value. These are called assets: stocks, rental properties, businesses, digital products. A liability is anything that costs you more than it gives back, like cars, gadgets, or overpriced fashion. Your goal is simple: buy assets, limit liability. No investment pays off faster than investing in yourself. Read books, take courses, learn how money works. Improve your health, your mindset, your network. These are the things that compound, just like money does. Short-term wins feel great, but wealth is built with consistency. Invest every month, even if it's just $50. Small actions, repeated over years, lead to massive results. Your future self will thank you. This isn't about impressing anyone. You're not competing with your neighbor, your friends, or strangers online. You're competing with the old version of you. Make the next you smarter, stronger, more in control. Money doesn't have to be stressful. When you organize it, automate it, and build with it, it works for you, not against you. Start with the 25-15-50-10 rule, set up your money map, and begin today. Subscribe for more real-world money tips, and until next time, take care of your future. See you in the next video.